If you want to add a MasterCard gift card to your PayPal account but don't know the correct method, this guide will help you understand the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Many users get confused about whether gift cards can be added directly to PayPal balance, so in this video, I'll explain everything clearly step by step. First, open the PayPal website or app and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Wallet section where you manage your cards and payment methods. Click on Link a Card to begin. Now enter your MasterCard gift card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Make sure the gift card is activated before adding it. Some cards may also require you to register a billing address on the card provider's website, so complete that step if needed. After entering the details, click on Link Card. If the information is correct, your gift card will be successfully added and will appear in your wallet as a payment method. Here's the important part. You usually cannot transfer the gift card balance directly into your PayPal balance. Instead, you can use the gift card to make payments through PayPal. When you check out on a website and select PayPal, choose the linked MasterCard gift card as your funding source. PayPal will charge the card directly for the purchase. Also, make sure your gift card supports online transactions and has enough balance. Some cards may not work for all types of payments. In short, link your MasterCard gift card in the wallet section and use it as a payment method, but you cannot directly add its balance to PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.